Welcome to Palletfly. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use one of our best tools, which is our product catalog. There's two ways to access it from the main menu, or you can shorthand the link so that you can access it at any time. You can click this button, or you can click this button. Once you get to this menu, you'll see that the page here, the breadcrumbs show you FBA Deals Home Page. On this page, you'll find many products. We have over 30,000 products in our catalog right now. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this page, the different features that it contains. The first very useful feature is this button right here. This button allows you to, when you click it, allows you to download our entire inventory that's updated in real time, that links to over 1,000 suppliers. Their inventory gets consolidated into one place, one platform, and you can download that by one click. That's a huge tool right there. The next tool, and I'll go line by line here, is the search option. So let's say you wanted to find Apple products. You can type it in, hit the search button. This will bring up all the Apple products. If you have a product ID that you know you're looking for, you can enter that in. You can either press enter, or you can go down to the bottom of the page and hit apply filters. This will apply the search and the filter. And the next feature is, so here this product has pulled up 7576. Next thing is the UPC search. You can search by UPC. So if you have a particular UPC that you know you're looking for, you can type it in here. Category, you can select one or many categories. You can select all categories, or you can select, you can remove all the categories. You can go to any brand you'd like, and you can combine these different filters to give you exactly what you're looking for. So let's say you want to shop only by this brand, you can apply that filter, and it will display only things from that brand, which it appears that at the moment we don't have anything under that brand. But like, let's say here I see a Ziploc item. So I now only have a list of Ziploc items. You can see a complete list of all our brands by clicking the See Complete List button. This will show you all the brands, and then you can select as many as you'd like. Let's say you want to see Zippo and Ziploc and Rhino USA. So you can do that, and that will show you all those items. To remove any of those items from the filter, you can press the X button right next to it. Next, the rank. This is a very useful feature. Most people would like to see things that are ranked 1 and up, because 0 means it doesn't have a rank on Amazon. So let's say you wanted to see only items that are ranked under 10,000. Again, you can press the enter or apply filters, and you'll see all the items that are ranked under 10,000, which we have 5 pages or more of. You can combine this with a feature that allows you, okay, let's say you want to do 10% minimum profit percentage to infinite amount. So you can hit that, and that will show you all the items, which again, we have multiple pages of, that you make at least 10 to 14,000%, whatever, 140,000% margin. And again, these numbers are pulled from Amazon directly. There is a bit of a lag time, and also Amazon on their API discloses that their information at times can be wrong. So the basis of this information can be incorrect, but it's as accurate as we can get to because it's being pulled from the source, which is Amazon, and there's no better source than them. And if they're not reliable, so then there's no way for us to be better than them, at the moment at least. Next, we have the button here. When you actually apply these filters, you can hit this button and it will generate a file with just the products that you've filtered to. All the rest of these, like unit profit, how much money you want to make per unit, the deal cost, what's your budget, how much do you want to spend total on the whole deal, number of sellers on listing. This is how many other sellers there are that are competing for the buy box. It will only show you ones that are competing for the buy box, or at least eligible to compete for buy box, on Amazon. And then hide Amazon selling. This tool allows you to remove any items that Amazon.com is a seller on the listing and is in the buy box. And then show out of stock products. So the page is already set to only show you products that are in stock. If you want to see past products that maybe you want to make a custom order for, or for whatever reason you want to see the historical products, you can check this off and it will show you all the products that are sold out, as well as the items that are in stock.